in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Jobber subscription in just 5 minutes. Whether you're exploring other tools or simply taking a break, canceling your subscription is straightforward. Let's go step by step for a hassle-free experience. First, open your preferred web browser. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you like. In the search bar, type Jobber and hit enter. Click on Jobber's official website from the search results to access the main page. Next, log into your Jobber account by clicking the login option in the top right corner and entering your credentials. If you are on a free trial, you can skip this step since the trial will naturally expire without action. Once logged in, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click it and select account and billing from the drop-down. Here you will find all your subscription details and billing information. Scroll down until you see the cancel your subscription section, usually at the bottom right. Click the cancel subscription button. A drop-down will appear asking for a reason for cancellation. Choose the option that best describes your situation. This helps Jobber understand customer needs, but it won't affect your ability to cancel. For free trial users, remember the trial expires automatically, so you only need to go through this process if you're on a paid subscription. And that's it, your Jobber subscription is now cancelled. If you run into any issues, reaching out to Jobber support can help resolve any unexpected problems. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made cancelling your Jobber subscription easy and stress-free.